Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is my favorite trade of the day. It's a Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and in yesterday's video I was saying how important it is that we get a very strong day where we can trade up towards that 13,300 level, and that's exactly what's happened in today's trading session. We're currently trading up 0.82%. We were as high as 1.3% where we did go and touch that 13,300 level, but since then we've paired roughly 70 points, which is, not to worry. We've just given a little bit back, but the more important thing is that we have now broken above the 50-day EMA. So if we were to have a daily close roughly around this area, that would be fantastic and would indicate a move up towards 13,300. And then once we can get that daily close above 13,300, we're likely then to go towards 13,500. So I'm going to put a green line on 13,500. That's the next target. And then once we achieve 13,500, that's when we go and look for 13,900, which of course is the previous all-time high for this market. Very, very bullish indeed. Today we have the likes of CrowdStrike reporting earnings after the closing bell. If we see a jump in their share price, you could see some more upside movement going into tomorrow's session. I think what we're seeing here, guys, is some rotation back into the growth stocks. Okay, we've seen some rotation out of growth and into value, but the likes of the financial stocks, so the banks, for example, they've rallied significantly over the past couple of weeks, and that's the same with the airlines. You've got American Airlines, which is up 50% in the past month and a half. Boeing's up roughly 28% this month so far. So, we've seen a massive rally in the value stocks, and they are now considered to be overbought. So I think what we're seeing here is some rotation back out of value and into growth. And this is something that I've been warning you guys about. I was anticipating this. You'll see a lot of articles saying that, the Nasdaq could crash from here onwards, but, they always come out with these ridiculous articles. But, investors, hedge funds, banks, retail investors, they love the tech stocks. And, I think I mentioned it in yesterday's video that we've become more digital in everything that we do. So yes, once the economy reopens, we will see an economic boom. We will see people traveling more than they've ever done. Before. So we will see people going out to restaurants more than ever, but at the same time they're going to be taking their phones, they're going to be taking their laptops, and as I just mentioned, we have become more digital in everything that we do, and that's going to benefit the tech stocks rather significantly. So I am a bull here for the Nasdaq 100. I think 13,500 is a reasonable target before the end of the week. One thing to be cautious of course, is the Fed speaking today and tomorrow, but I do expect them to come out and say that they're going to continue to support the market, so no real shocks there. So I think that we could see the Nasdaq 100 trade even higher before the end of today's trading session, but by at the end of the week I do anticipate a move up towards 13,500. I'm a buyer, no interest in selling. I don't sell US indices.